The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is almost here, and it's already generating a buzz. You can reserve yours today for free and get a chance to win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. The link is in the description below. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this game-changing device. First off, forget the sharp edges from the previous model. The S25 Ultra brings a sleek, rounded design that feels great in your hand, while still keeping the flat screen you love. This combination gives you both style and functionality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature stunning 6.9-inch QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, complemented by a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Thanks to Samsung's advanced display AI technology, colors and brightness have seen a remarkable 43% enhancement compared to last year's version, resulting in a display that's exceptionally vibrant and crystal clear. At its core, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Expect exceptional performance, with graphics capabilities improving by 34%, CPU power increasing by 38%, and a noteworthy 43% boost in Neural Processing Unit (NPU) performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, anticipate a smooth and instantaneous experience. Samsung has revamped the cooling system, making it 42% more efficient than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means reduced heat buildup during intensive tasks, ensuring your device remains cool even when pressed to its limits. Boasting a quad-camera setup, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra includes a remarkable 200-megapixel main sensor, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide with macro mode for improved clarity, 50-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. The S25 Ultra is set to introduce significant enhancements in its camera system. AI features such as audio eraser effectively reduce background noise in videos, while log video allows for capturing raw footage, giving you unparalleled editing flexibility. Video capabilities have also seen significant advancements, delivering improved low-light performance, smoother frame rates, and greater control, all thanks to the power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. In terms of battery life, the S25 Ultra is equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, offering 45-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and a maximum storage capacity of 1 terabyte, you'll have ample power and space for all your needs. Operating on Android 15 with One UI 7, this device provides a polished and intuitive user experience. It's designed for durability as well, featuring Gorilla Glass Armor 2 on the front and back, complemented by a robust titanium frame that enhances its premium quality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will be launched in 4 colors: titanium blue, titanium black, titanium gray, and titanium silver, along with some exclusive color options. The starting price is anticipated to be approximately $1,299, which is slightly higher than the S24 Ultra.